For me,
he was making his bed. It's the studio bed, isn't it, Sue? It's your studio bed. I used to sleep amongst all my rubbish. Boy, it's right by the way. What are you doing, Cyril? Checking for snakes? It takes ages to settle down. So fussy. That's it. Just right.
is better and nothing can make it last. Nothing can make me last. Nothing can make me last.
I'm tired of thinking people change with the weather when you never see it. I'm tired turning into something not alright when you carry it and you bleed poison out of your sleep and you're keeping me able. Yeah, you're able.
Nothing is better than what we had. Oh, nothing is better, and nothing can make it last. Oh, nothing is better than what we had. Oh, nothing is better than what we had. Oh, nothing is better than what we had. Oh, nothing is better, and nothing can make it last.
These are the workers' cottages.
Hope you enjoyed that. That was just a quick vloggy thing. I didn't do much talking through that one, but I've been trying to get back into painting again, so there was a few bits there. And you saw some videos of sorry, my son's got friends, if you can hear them. Yeah, I had a trip to Bridlington to see family, and so that's what that was, just a few snippets of that, and not much else is happening really. Yeah, my son's got friends here this morning because they stayed over last night because we had a pod day, which was quite funny, but yeah, apart from that, it's been pretty boring. I'm surprised it's like day, was it? I'm on day 22. Oh. So the next, there'll be only 2 more left to do, and then that's me done for this vlogmases, and I might keep them sort of up anyway, sort of vlog one a month sort of thing. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Bye.